Welcome to RHCE series of lectures. We are studying MariaDB. In this lecture, we will study how to backup and restore a MariaDB databases. First, we see the values within RHCE database. Backup is taken with mysql dump command, mysql -u username, and then -p, then the database name, and then the file name where you want to store this backup. You need to give the password for the root. The new backup has been placed under the given path. You can always open the my.sql file and read. There are simple SQL queries. This is how you take the backup of MariaDB or any database using mysql dump command. Now to restore, first we connect to the database. Create a new database where we will restore the values from RHCE database. So in this case, RHCE backup is the new database where we will store the values. So where we restore the backup. The backup is, or the restore is done with this command mysql -u root -p, and then the new database name, and then the path where to take this backup. That's all. It should restore all the values to the new database RHCE backup. Connect to the database and verify that it has picked up the new values on the new database. The table is there. See the values for confirmation. Okay, the values are similar to the RHCE. And these values should be matching. So backup and restore is working fine. There is another way to restore the backup. Create a new table, create a new database. You can give any name. Switch to that database, newly created database. And we can restore the value with the command source and then the path of the file where the SQL file has been placed. It has restored all the values. We can verify this as well. So this is how you backup and restore the MariaDB databases. Thank you for watching this lecture.